Don't try to think ahead a little bit. Please try.
Catch the 10 car.
They're already wrecking on the pace lap. Wow. This may be no fun.
Alrighty, boys. Nice and easy here on the first lap. Let's just let's get a good clean first lap and see what we can do from there.
Get ready. The pace car is in. Green, green, green. Got one inside. Still there. Still there. Stay high. Clear low, clear low. $36.525.
Sorry.
Go high. Inside.
Wrecking out of
clear low, clear low.
All in the infield.
30.978.
Good call. Wow, no caution?
Wrecking
Go low.
Wreck
All right,
back
man,
in
caution
two.
is out. Caution is out. Line up single file.
Go low, everybody,
Goes
go.
close.
Oh, right in the
Extra 11 cars.
Sorry, guys. Spoke too soon.
This truck is way more loose than it was last race.
Yeah, I was thinking that same thing. I raced earlier this morning, and it feels a lot looser right now than it did
Extra
earlier
11
today.
car.
Yeah, absolutely. It's crazy.
Sometimes it's the tires they give you.
Checking up in the backstretch,
Not every server set up the same, so you might be perfect in one server, loosening.
Pace car in 3. Pace cars in 3. Check it up.
You're right about that, Charles.
That was close, Jack.
Pit road is now open.
Yeah, I had it though.
Yeah, it was still close, though.
Okay, I will pizza. Hey Joseph, will you look at my right side and see how bad I screwed it up?
You just brushed the wall, didn't you, Tim?
Yeah, I just brushed it. I didn't get nothing off of it, but I just want to make sure I didn't damage it.
Yeah, I don't see a thing, man, because I did the same thing right behind you, trying to stay wide, and I brushed it also. I don't think I have any damage, but I don't know. Nobody looked at it.
Here, I'll look at yours. Hey, you look good too, boss man.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Thanks, man. I didn't get any points or any. I mean, it was 0x, so.
Yeah, me too, but I seen a dude get 0x the other night and it screwed the front of his truck up and everything else.
I thought for sure I was going to hit that truck sitting in the trioval.
Yep. Just missed it. And then the French guy bomb dived underneath it, and then he went high in the corner and blew it.
I was scared that dude was going to spit out in front of me. I didn't want to commit myself to the outside. I knew what he was going to do.
Yeah, man, I know it's hard, but man, people need to take it a little more easier in the first couple laps.
I know it's right on the edge. Every time you come off the corners like 2 and 4, it's setting out sideways. You don't realize it, but it is.
Pit road is closed.
You think, man, this feels good, and all of a sudden you're looking at the wall backwards.
Well, I know people, you know, they're excited, the adrenaline's going and all that, but man, you gotta keep your truck planted.
You can get a better drive off the corner when it's planted. I can tell you that.
Yeah, it just seems to handle better. You back up the corner and boom, drive off real hard.
Yeah, you gotta be smooth on that throttle. Alrighty. I guess it's better to be towards the front than the back.
Yeah, I got stuck back here because that guy spun in front of me and I hit him. So we'll see how rough it is.
And you guys ain't got to worry about me. If you faster me, I'll let you around.
You got plenty of time. It's only lap 7 now.
Alright, man, we're going green next time by 1 minute 36.61. Alright, man, line up on the outside row now.
Mr. Glennon, I'll give you some room in case you got to check up in the starter entering turn 1.
10-4 Charles, thank you.
Alright guys, get ready.
Get ready. Alright, man, the pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Good job, man. You're up to 4th. 1 minute 31.47. .02.
Yeah, I'll let you take me low, Josh.
29.735.
Thank you, Mike.
You didn't have to do that, Tim.
Thank you, Mike.
You were running strong.
What happened, Tim?
Oh, no, I touched the apron. I didn't want to slide up into you. I started easing up. I just let off.
Good clean racing, man.
29.941.
Reggie Dunlop. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Slapshot, the movie?
Yeah. Yeah, I just realized what you were talking about.
Got one outside. 30.003.
Well, you gotta be in your 40s or
Still there?
50s.
Hold your line.
Oh boy. I never should have
Stay low.
divulged that.
Stay low.
Reeling you in, James.
I know you are. Come get it.
Still there? Hold your line. All clear, all clear.
No, we can cruise a bit.
.388.
That sounds like a plan.
Come on, Billy. I'll let you have it this time.
Outside. Stay low. All clear, all clear.
Wow, thanks.
Touch there.
30.136. You're in third place.
Nice recovery there, 15.
Thank you.
You're clear, Aaron. You're clear.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, it was Charles. I'm sorry. I thought it was Aaron.
Hey, that's all right, Timothy. I thought you were going to let me pass there for a minute.
I'm just going to ride around and see how many more cautions we have.
Hopefully none. My man James and I are breaking away.
I'm just cruising right now.
Yeah, but we're 2 seconds ahead.
30.123. We have 20 laps to go at the line. Inside. Stay high.
Good
Stay
Lord.
high.
Yeah.
Still there? Hold your line. Stay high.
I'm even backing up my corners.
Still
Well,
there.
if we finish like this, I'm happy as long as I don't crash.
30.403.
Yeah,
All
I'm the
clear,
same
all
way. I
clear.
agree with you.
But if I do get a run on you, James, or using lap traffic as a chicane.
30.051.
I don't know how, but I used up my tires.
That high lane will do it. And this tire build seems.
Yeah, that's what happened to me. I messed my right front up when I slid up on James. I turned the wheel hard and it got it hot.
Big insight.
It's 16.
30.008. Inside. Clear low, clear low.
Go ahead, Aaron. I'll let you clear on outside.
Sorry about that, Tim.
30.25.
Ain't no problem. I was trying to stay off of you. My nose stuck underneath you. I was trying to back out.
Thank you for that one, Timothy. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I seen your car get upset there, Billy, and I just moved down a little bit. And I got my nose underneath you, and I was trying to back pedal a little bit. Oh no, man, we're cool. Come on, Michael, you moved on up here quick.
Simple.
Thanks.
30.344.
This is my 4th race here, and I haven't finished one yet, so I'm going to try to be, just let everybody go by and see if I can finish.
That's a good strategy. This is my 2nd attempt, and I'm in 2nd.
30.245. Got one inside. All clear, all clear.
That qualifying makes all the difference.
Take inside, please. Inside.
Thank you, sir.
I think I heated him up a little bit too much, Timothy, or Joseph. It's probably all yours. Inside.
30.254.
Alright, we'll see. We got time to go.
Thank you. Thank you, Jason.
Take it on the back, Billy. I meant, Michael.
Stay inside him.
Well, we're getting piled up back here.
Alrighty, Michael, pull me to the front, buddy.
30.262. We have 10 to go this time by. That car is a lap down. 30.067.
Watch clear for turn 3, Jack.
Alright, thanks.
$29.978.
You got it on the turn, Douglas.
Good pass, big fella.
Good running with you, James.
30.004.
Nice and clean, man.
Ah, shit, dude. I am so sorry.
Dude,
29.866.
Wow. Oh, you blew it for me too. Well, it's my fault.
Come on by here, Thomas.
So sorry.
30.085. You're back and forth. 5 to go at the line.
Ride. These cutters never come back, do they?
Mine haven't.
29.908. Got one outside. You're clear high, clear high.
And my tires are
Got one
shot.
outside. 30.148. Stay low.
Yeah, ever since I
Stay
slid
low.
up in the corner on James, my tires hadn't been the same.
You're clear high, clear high.
All right, nice win, James. I guess you did it.
No, Jim passed me, and I gotta apologize, man. You slowed down on me, and I didn't expect it. I apologize for getting into you.
Outside.
Well, I didn't expect it either.
Stay low.
I just started to lose it and wash up high.
30.148. Still there.
At least
You're
I
back
didn't
in
crash.
third. Still there. All clear, all clear.
John, coming on your low.
Just got the white flag. That means one more lap to go. 30.248.
Thank
Good
you.
job, man. You're up to second. Outside. You're clear high, clear high.
Good one, Jim. Congratulations.
Yeah, good win, good run, guys. Nice win.
Thank you, gentlemen. I don't think, probably would have been third had one or two cars got a little tangled up there, but good race, all.
There's the flag. It's over.
Hey, I won my race. I got
Great job,
0
driver.
incidents the whole damn race. I won, as far as I'm concerned.
10-4 in that. That's usually my my win.
Hey, nice racing with you guys. That was that's the cleanest race I've been on Charlotte thus far.
Yeah, good racing there, buddy. Good win. 6.
Joseph, I am sorry, man.